Hello investors, welcome back to the new video on a very fast growing company which is into it's a housing finance company. So let us look at a company called as APTUS Housing Finance India Limited. This is more important first from the any investment perspective. So this APTUS value, this company is into affordable housing finance India. So this is the main uh, area that the company is into affordable housing finance. So they provide finance to that segment, specific low and middle income segment. So that is more important. And how is the market growing for affordable housing finance in India? So ये पहले तो sector tailwind is more important. अभी population of 1.4 billion, so there is need for people who cannot afford, okay, houses, or individuals from different walks of life. So this company, this NBFC is basically catering to low and middle income segment, okay, and that segment is pretty growing pretty rapidly and is expected to be one of the largest labor markets in the world by 2050 with population of 1 billion people of working age. So this particular company, that is Aptus Value Finance, it is targeting this segment, okay, low and middle income segment, which is growth is very high in this segment, and that segment which is in the working age, that is over 1 billion by 2050. So yes, sector tailwind is very good for this company. Okay, now let us see what is the allocation to the this affordable housing area. So total allocation to Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry for 24-25 77,000 crore, which is up from the last year. Total allocation for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is 80,671 crore, out of which 54,500 crore is earmarked for PMAY Rural. So this is a very substantial allocation. So आप देख सकते हो कि budget has given a big push for affordable housing. So government has committed to providing housing infrastructure across the country, in particularly in the rural regions where APTUS is operating in. So APTUS wants to align their strategy with these national priorities. So they want to national priorities साथ अपना business को sync करना है APTUS company को. So the performance for FY 23-24 has been quite good for APTUS. अभी ये देख सकते हो आप कि their assets under management grew by 29% year on year to 8,722 crores, reflecting robust market presence and customer trust. They achieved 31% increase in disbursements amounting to 3127 crores. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि AUM grew 29% and disbursement grew 31%. So very extremely high growth company. Net interest margin at 13.45%, extremely good net NIMs. NIMs आपको देखना है किसी भी फाइनेंस कंपनी में, अगर NIMs are very good, that is the main thing that you have to look for. And a profit after tax of 612 crores. So this is pretty impressive numbers for the last year. Profit after tax grew 22%. Return on assets आपको देखना है. Any finance company return on asset is very important. So return on assets stood at 8% and return on equity stood at 17.25%. तो ये देख सकते हो आप. 8% is ROA. Okay, 8% is ROA and 17.25% is ROE, which is extremely good numbers, return numbers. Then they have declared 4.5% dividend. So that's a dividend paying company. Capital adequacy of 73%. Extremely good numbers. I have highlighted achievements here. Like since 2010, APTUS is providing affordable housing finance to underserved segments, particularly tier 3 and tier 4 cities, making a remarkable change in life of the customer. So this is the main focus area for APTUS, NBFC, tier 3 and tier 4 cities, and it's providing affordable housing finance to undeserved segments. So very important thing to note. Here you see the company APTUS Value has 1,33,499 customers and 262 branches. It is empowering sustainable home ownership. Here we see their strategic foundations, their vision, their mission, what are the core values, and AUM and milestones. So this AUM has grown from, आप देख सकते हो 29 crores, it has grown all the way to 8,700 crores. The processes have to be as per the regulatory framework, all that. So that is very important to check. Here you see the branch expansion. If you see from FY 20 175 branches, it has gone all the way to 262 branches as of now. APTUS they offer the loan products, say 60% home loan to the home loan category, 16% quasi home loans, then 2% insurance support, and 20% small business loans, and 2% top up loans. So this is the mainly the revenue mix. They offer the loan products to various underprivileged people. Here the total for the FY24 total YOY disbursement were up 31%. AUM growth was 29%, pretty impressive, and collection efficiency is extremely important. Parameter 100.15%. Now let us look at the quarterly numbers of APTUS, how they fared. APTUS Value Housing Finance India Limited for the first quarter FY25. Here you see for the FY25, if you see here 9,072. So the total AUM crores, it has gone up to 9,072. Then you see here strong growth. If you see the number of branches for FY25 first quarter, 267. Number of customers also have grown to 1,37,000. Disbursement 675. Loan book is 9,072. That is 30% up. NIMs 32% up. Then profit after tax 30% up. Pretty impressive numbers. Gross NPAs and net NPAs. So the gross NPA and net NPA 1.3 and 0.98. ROE is 18%. So how that June 24, how was the quarter? Total 27% AUM has increased. 4% is your quarter on quarter. Disbursement increased 4%. Then net NPAs, then NIMs 12.8%. OPEX to asset 2.67. Profit after tax 172 crores. So which is up YOY 21%. Return on asset 7.73. More or less they have maintained this ROA. Return on equity 113%. So there they have these home loans and small business loans. Home loans consider 70% is affordable home loans. Quasi home loans 22%. Insurance loans 4%, and top up loans. So basically their HFCs and NBFCs AUM 2092 and HFC AUM is 6,980. Then consolidated basis 9,072 crores is the AUM, out of which home loans 60%, quasi home loans 16%, insurance loan, top up loan, etc. are covering, and small business loans are around 20%. So this is their revenue, the overall disbursement mix. In-house operations, so total आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, this is all pricing power, reduced stat, etc. So this is all okay. Omni-channel lead generation, leads are generated in-house sourcing, 82% from in-house sourcing digital. They have a Bandhu app, okay. Then customer app also they have, so they are also having lead generation from there. Digital marketing 3.42, this is going to be the lead generation. Scalability, if you see, it is more or less into Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Odisha. So around more or less 8 or 7% across all these states. So this is a scalable growth potential across these states. Branch wise AUM as of this is greater than 3 years old are 185 branches. Then 1 to 3 year old are 43, and below 1 year are 39 branches. Within 72 hours, greater than 90%. So they have got risk management focus. New technology upgrade, they are also having, see the new technologies upgradation continuously, which reduces the TAT and improves the process discipline. So they are better collection productivity, better regulatory compliance of RBI. So all these things are very important for any software company. Strong ESG and governance framework. Performance highlight, if you see here, quarter one 634, 675 here. Growth percent 4%, and except exclusive April 35%. Performance highlight quarterly are extremely good. Quarter 1 FY25 675 crore disbursement, AUM 9,072, gross NPA 1.3%, ROE 18%, ROA 7.73. Consistent spreads of yields and cost of, now this is more very important. 8.64 is your cost of borrowing, and 17.36 is your yields. So आप देख सकते हो कि this is their spread is also 8.6, 9.5. So spread is also more or less at 8.7%. Maintain the spread percent. So very good spreads profile here. ROA, if you see here, ROA is also very good, 7.37 from that to 8% to 7.73%. ROA is good. Then asset quality is very important. Asset quality, gross NPAs 1.3% in quarter 1. Net NPAs around 0.98, 30-day DPD 6.31%. So this is very important, 30 plus DPD 6.31%. Collection efficiency is extremely important. आपका 98% above collection efficiency. For the first quarter, it was 99% collection efficiency. Now yes, let us see where they are borrowing money from. They are borrowing money mainly from their banks. for 64% from banks, NHB, National Housing Finance 22%, NCDs and others. So total average tenure of borrowings in months, 83 months in FY24 first quarter. 83 months, so 64% maximum they are borrowing from banks. तो बैंक से 64% borrow कर रहे हैं, नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक से 22% borrow है. तो ये है आप उनका borrowing mix, कहाँ से borrow कर रहे हैं. DFI, IFC, इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, देन नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक से refinance होता है, प्राइवेट सेक्टर, these are the bank they are borrowing money from, and public sector. What are the key growth strategies? This is more important. Yeah, they are going to have focus on home loans and strengthen the focus on SBL. So large headroom to new to credit and retail segment, diversified income stream from home loans and SBL, ticket size 0.5 to 1.5 million, and different templates of customer profiles to increase deeper penetration in existing markets. They are going to have more penetration to existing market, expand the new markets in Maharashtra and Odisha, and continued focus on productivity and credit costs. So this is going to be the key growth strategy. Shareholding pattern, if you see the shareholding pattern here, SBI Mutual Fund is holding 7%, Malabar is 6.7, Capital Research 5.54, Ward Ferry, Street View, they are all Aberdeen, Vanguard, East Bridge Capital, Amundi Group, Tata Mutual Fund, all very prestigious investors have invested into APTUS. 30% is their investor promoter, Westbridge. Then a founder promoter, Mr. M. Anandan, is 23.97%, FII is around 28%, DII is 9%. So extremely good shareholding profile here, future growth. If you see your stock price performance, more or less it has been pretty flat for the last 5 years. It was at 375 in September 21, और नीचे भी गया था वो 237 तक गया था, बट 230 के रेंज में इट हैज फाउंड सपोर्ट, और अभी ये 400 लेवल पे है. इट हैज ब्रोकन द प्रीवियस हाई वाज एट अराउंड 370, so it has decisively broken 370. Here also you had around at 353 there was a resistance, and here the resistance was 382. तो all these 5 years में 5 साल के सब resistance break करके stock is now at around 400. Even the support, if you see, it is good support at 250 levels. It has got a strong support. So overall the stock is quoting at around 5.19 times book value, and it has delivered a profit growth of 40% CAGR. It looks pretty good. उसका market cap up, you will see here the market cap of APTUS value housing finance is 19,724 crore market cap. Stock P is reasonable, 30.7, ROC is good, ROE is good, book value is 75.5, current price is 395. So looks overall APTUS value is looking pretty okay, but consult your financial advisor before you take any decision to buy. But overall the company is into the high growth path, and with RBI expected to cut interest rates, this company, all the NBFCs will be definitely be benefited from that, and overall in the reducing interest rate scenario, their cost of funds also will come down, and overall the spreads also are expected to increase. And housing finance is the key area by the government, the affordable housing segment. So this company is into right area. So consult your advisor, but this is a very good company and well managed company for long term perspective. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please place on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.